In today's video, I'll show you how to make your iCloud photos sync faster on your iPhone using a few simple settings. If your photos are taking too long to upload, this guide will help you speed things up. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. So, are you syncing your photos to iCloud and want to speed up the process? Then you're in the right place. You need to head over to the Settings app. Then go to Battery, make sure that low power mode is turned off. This will help your phone perform better while syncing. Then go back to the main settings page and go to Display and Brightness. Scroll down, go to Auto Lock, and make sure that it is set to Never. This prevents your phone from sleeping during the sync process. Now, head back again, tap on your name, Apple ID, at the top, tap on iCloud, then go to Photos. Make sure Sync This iPhone is enabled. Finally, plug your iPhone into your charger and leave it on the iCloud Photos page. While this won't speed up the sync directly, it will stop other background apps from interfering, making the process smoother. And there you have it. And that's how you can speed up iCloud Photos syncing on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.